Hello everyone and welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner with our English video today. As promised, we are doing the second half of food. We are going to start with meals now. So all of our vocabulary for meals.
Breakfast. Breakfast. Lunch. Dinner. Dessert. Snack. Lunch. Dessert.
Lunch.
Dinner. Dessert.
Dessert.
Snack. Breakfast.
Breakfast. Dinner.
D E N N
Dinner.
Lunch.
L N Ch
Lunch.
Snack.
N A K
Snack. Breakfast. Dessert. Snack. Dinner. Breakfast. Lunch. Dessert. Breakfast. Lunch. Dinner. Dessert. Snack. Dessert. Lunch. Snack. Dinner. Breakfast. Dessert. Snack. Dinner. Lunch. Breakfast.
Even I make mistakes.
Breakfast. Snack. Lunch. Dessert. Dinner.
Awesome. So that is our second one of food, or that one was specifically were meals that we eat. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring, thanking you for joining me today and asking that if you did benefit from this, share the video with someone that can benefit as well. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.